Coach Abdeslam Moadu must play the right players this Saturday. Asikho isikhathi sokurotator, asikho isikhathi sokuthesta ama-player that haven't gotten game time throughout the season. He knows the right players to play and he knows where to play the right players. Orlando Pirates, this Saturday is make or break for Orlando Pirates. We desperately want this league as a supporter. We are hungry for this league as a supporter. We've waited 14 years for a league, and now that it's looking likely ukuthi sizoyiwina, I don't think kunesikhathi sokuthi besike experiment manje. Angithi after this we go to the World Cup, then from World Cup pre-season, then we can experiment during pre-season. But this weekend, no mistakes, Bafethu. This weekend, no mistakes. And I hope laba khona manje Jimini ne they training how to break a low block. Mele bafunde ukuthi low block imoshwa kanjani. And also, it's very important for a coach to know which players you need to play when a team is playing a low block, when a team is playing a high tempo, when a team is playing a low game. Isn't just fun analysis. So this weekend, unfortunately, Coach Abdeslam Moadu can't afford to rotate. This weekend he can't afford to be testing players. This is not the time where sekumele ukuthi afuna ukubona ukuthi ubani ongadlalanga this season odlala kanjani. This weekend Orlando Pirates must bury Orbit College. They must show Orbit College why they deserve to be champions. They must show Orbit College why they are a big team. They must show Orbit College ukuthi mawudlala ku PSL ushawa kanjani. A very big scoreline this weekend. We can't afford any mistakes as Orlando Pirates. And I just want to say, another thing that's been killing us this season is the absence of Dino van Rooyen from a defensive standpoint. Uyabona ukuthi Samuel Sibelebele has been doing exceptional. Like Sibelebele for me ayikho into engamfaulta ngayo. But you can imagine if we still had Dino van Rooyen, and then in games where we're playing against our team adlala ama low block laba bas defender kakhulu, you know that okay sharp, you have more options in your attack. Mawuthatha uSibelebele umdlali side defense, you are limiting yourself where attack is concerned. Coach Abdeslam Moadu kamohele Sibelebele, Mike Mamosha is not a right back. Stop playing him go right back. Mawumdlalisa as a right back, you are limiting yourself. Go attack. You're limiting yourself. Go attack. When you look at your bench, attack yako then hamba shorter. Management went and signed that player to come play attack for Orlando Pirates. He was playing as an attacker with TS Galaxy. He played as an attacker for Orlando Pirates when the season started, and he scored important goals. Uyakhumbula ke MTN8 against the Mamelodi Sundowns wakora. There was a league game straight after the MTN8. I think it was the third game where Orlando Pirates yaqala ukuwina. Ukamhelo Sibelebele wakora. There was a point where he was even selected kuba Bafana playing as an attacker. But now that we've converted him into a right back, you are limiting yourself ku attack. How can you take an attacker umdlalise move? Like sometimes mina understand ukuthi ama coach acabanga kanjani. Sometimes I understand ukuthi ama coach now, Sibelebele is playing as a right back. You've limited attack yakho. There were times where Sibelebele would come off the bench playing as an attacker. He changed the complexion of the game. But now that you're playing him as a right back, uyamlimita. Mela pusha iphambili, mela kuthabuye. He's doing double the job, and it's not always easy for him to get that job done. So shout out to him. Because udlalile kahle ungenile kahle yonke into yakhe mnandi utransitionile siyambongela umjida, but I think it's important this week play Dino van Rooyen. He's been a right back for Orlando Pirates and he's done an exceptional job. Uchabiso Lubito, when he came back from injury, now Dalile is a right back and he played a very big role for Orlando Pirates. So this weekend, coach, asikho isikhathi sokurotator this weekend. Asikho isikhathi sokuthi wena ufuna ukutesta ama player, asikho isikhathi sokuthi usithathele players ngalibonanga the whole season so ufuna ukumdlalisa all of a sudden. It's not that time. It's not that time. Asikho isikhathi sokuloku ubhizi utabalaza udlala ama guesswork. Yabona this weekend we are not winning by luck. We are winning because we are a big team. We are winning because we've beefed up our squad. We are winning because our players have a winning mentality. So please, this weekend don't make those mistakes. And can you please start Tito from the bench? Can Coach Abdeslam Moadu please start Tito from the bench? Tito makadlala noMfukeng at the same time. He makes it difficult for Mfukeng to play. He makes it difficult for Mfukeng to play. Uyayidelay i-attack Orlando Pirates. Play him second half. Play him second half Tito. Yabona when you play him as a substitute, then maybe angazi ungakhipha Mfukeng or Robben, but when Mfukeng and Tito are playing at the same time, it seems ama option wabo boy2 ayayehla because omunye udlala fast omunye udlala slow, so aba complementary. For me, I don't know mapakapaka nengam correct. I don't remember when was the last time Tito no Mfukeng bashaye 1-2 bese kwaphuma igoli. Has it ever even happened? Orlando Pirates. Lautito noMfukeng boy 2 1-2 boom shot goal. Has it ever happened? I don't think it's ever happened. So coach, you've played Mfukeng as number 10 throughout the season. Uprochusile for wena playing as a number 10. He's even been scoring goals. But lo muntu ukore ne hat trick playing as a number 10. So Coach of Desla Mowadu, you know what to do. Tsepang Muremi on the left, Ozunapolis on the right, Rilem Fukeng as a number 10, Maketleni Makaula no Talente Mbata playing as your central defenders. Central midfielders. Maketleni Makaula and Talente Mbata. Don't change the combination. Let me playing Mbata no Mariko. Dalisum no Makaula boy. They've been playing together from a Highlands Park. They know each other from Highlands Park. When Jose Rivero took over Orlando Pirates, but let's say compatibility gulea midfield Orlando Pirates. Play them together. Ungai change. Don't fix it if it's not broken. Ungafa gunemta jela utai ngfunukta play these ones together. Play Mfukeng in front of them as a number 10. Ozunapolis on your right, Tsepang Muremi on your left, and Evidence Mahupa as your striker. Evidence Mahupa as your striker. Samthandu Yanela Mbutuma, but Yanela Mbutuma bafethu hlulekile kule season Orlando Pirates. Yanela Mbutuma failed dismally Orlando Pirates and Bampili chance. Coach, you've given this boy a chance. Umpile enough chances sekwanele. Simbonile, we've seen enough of Yanela Mbutuma. Puti, siyabonga, congratulations, you've played for Orlando Pirates, but I don't think this game like sasa mele ukuthi ayidlale next season nanoma bangathi uyadlalela bo Orbit College or China or somewhere asazi. China kunama league le China bahola imali eziningi abo Oscar bagcine baya khona asazi. Yena Lambuthuma nje uyasikhosta lapha Pirates and sifuna amagoli. Emuva mina ngithi Dino van Rooyen. Left back Dion Hoto, Bodlela noLibone Siem. Second half, if we still wanna attack, Samdonsa, Umuremi, ufaka Usbelebele to the right, Apolis comes to the left, Orlando Pirates attack continues. The game continues, it progresses, Labafana bakorele segumnandi, fans, sifuni entertainment. Maybe 2-0 up, 3-0 up, Orlando Pirates, sekusele kancane ukuthi sibambe i-trophy, faka ke uTito. Tito ngena, yenza izinto zakho, gibela ibhola, be the magician, do the right things. Then faka uSipho Mbule, simfakelana uMbule, sidonsa uMakhawula, sifaka uMbule, sesiwinile manje sesifuna ukulinoka. Sesifuna ukule-enjoya manje. Now as the fans we are being entertained. Yabo? So that's the team that I think Coach Abdeslam Mowadu needs to play. I've seen Orlando Pirates are interested in Makwele, Undlovu, Nosise, Baku Golden Arrows. I think these are three players that can come and improve your attack, Orlando Pirates. I think these are the three players that can come bring a lot of changes for Orlando Pirates. And should these players come, then we need to loan out Masindi Nemtajela. We need to loan out to Masindi Nemtajela. We need to loan out to Dion. We need to loan out Daniel Msendami. And Mbutuma, I don't even think we need to loan out Mbutuma. Mbutuma must be sold. Mbutuma njemele bamthengise, buy him out of his contract, it's fine. So these guys bazo eda and Orlando Pirates. Undlovu is very good on the ball. Undlovu knows how to read the game. Umuntu ontswembu ngamapass, umuntu that can help us. Let's say we lose Mfukeng overseas, you know ukuthi Mbo, and as much as ngeke akuphe yonke into Mfukeng akupha yona, but angazivala nyana lesa skala lesa. Makwele is very solid and is very compact kula midfield layer. So Makwele can give you what Talente Mbata gives you when Talente Mbata is injured. He can give you what Masindi Nemtajela will never ever give you. And another player that I would like to add for Orlando Pirates will transfer window, Udion, yena we Golden Arrows. So we shouldn't just sign 3 players from Golden Arrows. It should be 4 players. It should be Umakwele, it should be Undlovu, it should be Usise, and it should be Udion. Udion is the leading goal scorer to a Premiership. He has more goals than Ikram Reynas. And I would have said that maybe sign Ikram Reynas, but I don't think Mamelodi Sundowns do funugum releaser. So sign Dion. And Mamelodi Sundowns, because they're not using Peter Shalulile, maybe consider Oktatu Shalulile, Nayangena, and add on to attack Orlando Pirates, then release Yanela Mbutuma, release Radio Pane. Like they've served their club, Sababonga, Sabatanda, Basebenzila Machita. But right now we are more serious. Next day, Glalwi Kef, Glalwi League, Glalwi MTN80, Glalwi Ikaling knockout to Glalwi Netbank Cup. So we need players that can play wonke lawo tournament, that can have an impact go wonke lawo tournament. Masindi Nemtajela wadlalile wonke lawo tournament wenzeni? Yanela Mbutuma played all of those tournaments wenzeni? Udion ufike Orlando Pirates and was given a fair chance. Udlale more than Kabelo Dlamini this season. Udion has gotten more game time than Kabelo Dlamini wenzeni? What did he do? So Dion Nai, either he goes back to Stellenbosch or Bam's release, or maybe Dalale New Zealand as because clearly Ipetu Premiership is too fast for him. So here again, Coach Abdeslam Mowadu can't afford to fumble this weekend. He can't afford to experiment this weekend. Axis card so global pizu dalang entla by find a coach this weekend. I've given you the lineup that I think would do best. If worst case Bataga lineup Lenko to Gibis, I know Spelebel is gonna be the right back, but we'll still have Ozunapolis playing on the right. Tsepang Muremi on the left, release and number 10, Maketlin Makaula, Talente Mbata, Lais Pagatini, and then Evidence Mahupa up front. The reason I would prefer Dino van Rooyen is because he's an actual right back. Uya-understanda ukuthi makumele kumakwa kupresswa kanjani. Uya-understanda ukuthi makumele sikhave space ikhaviwa kanjani. But when Sibelebele plays that, umupha double the job. Ufuna ukuthi aphusha iphansi square abuya make. It becomes a bit unfair on him. And then when he makes mistakes, sizobuya bese sesamjudge sithi in nani. So coach, this weekend, so you're sending your development straight to relegation. Orbit College this season ayidlalanga like a team that has to be in the Betway Premiership. If Orlando Pirates, please clip this moment. If Orlando Pirates loses to Orbit College, ngaspina ngayenza break dancing. Break dancing, so round around the pants. It'll never happen. To all Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, and every other supporter that are against Orlando Pirates, I have bad news for you. This weekend, Orlando Pirates is lifting the Betway Premiership trophy. If Orlando Pirates is too much for Orbit College, there's no upset. Asiko nesting also guti sends ama videos kamba manga to know Orbit College can cause an upset. There's no upset that Orbit College is gonna cause against Orlando Pirates. All that needs to happen, Coach Abdeslam Moadu play the right players so that we end the season on a high. We are not playing these players because it's Tugile Sababantu. We are playing these players because we want to end the season on a high. And also, Stella Orlando Pirates, basically good kwenzakalani tungo sipombuli. Like, don't leave us in the cold. Sama support. He just saying amatikiti, just quality we deserve to know. Tina ngokwazi kwethu sipombuli is a part of Orlando Pirates. Masimbona ngadlali siyazibuza ukuthi what's happening. Coach Oadu, even before the season started, wahamba waya kuma podcast kuma interview wathi yena uthanda uSipombule. He'd love to coach Sipombule. Now that he has Sipombule, why isn't Sipombule getting game time? We need answers in that regard. And can we also get answers good to why Ukabelo Dlamini angadlali? Why isn't Kabelo Dlamini being given game time? Because Ukabelo Dlamini knows how to break ama low block. Orlando Pirates isicela ukuthi nisiphendule bafethu. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Join the community. Subscribe as Kulmen ngebholo. Let's fix our football. As Kulmen about the things that actually matter. Let's talk about the things that are affecting the growth of our football. Us not knowing what's happening about certain players or to certain players is also affecting our football. Because maybe as a supporter, we could also suggest things that can help. If a player has behavior issues, let us know as supporters. Guti Lomchita Lona is not playing because he's behaving netile. Amanye supporter bazali. They are parents. They've dealt nabantwana abahlupayo. They've dealt with mischievous kids. So uzokutshela ukuthi no umntana makaso udilwa ngayo so. Soccer players are very young. Abombule they're not even 30 years of age. They're very young. Ama soccer players tend to make a lot of mistakes, especially when you play for a team like Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns. You get a lot of attention. Amantombazana yakubona. If ukhulele lokishini mabuyele kasi, you're a hero. So you are bound to make mistakes. So if teams trust us, ama supporter wabo. Maybe Chelan supporters that are members get good to know the situation with this player so. That's why angadlali. So that singaloke speculates as Kulumi into singazaz because Sipombule is a very brilliant player. He's an important player and the Orlando Pirates needs a player like that. Skuluma ngomuntu obuya kwafcon bafet. You can't tell me uhleli benching because he's not performing. There's something happening there. And Orlando Pirates media address us. Sichelene as a supporter would know. Umbula kadlali because of look. But nonetheless, well done to the boys. Well done to Orlando Pirates for making this far and making it this far. Bafigile, Coach Abdeslam Moadu, you've been lucky throughout the season. I hope your luck doesn't run out on Saturday. I pray and hope your luck doesn't run out on Saturday. If you do choose to rotate again, I truly hope your rotation yakuyasebenzela because if your rotation doesn't work this Saturday, if your luck runs out this Saturday, think Puzuti.